My very first international student event was a bike trip around the Balaton Lake in Hungary, so it was a special moment for me to go back there by bike and cycle on exactly the same roads. After going 300 kilometers in only 3 days, I crossed the border back to Austria, where I met really nice people and made a very important decision.
20,000 kilometers by bike, sleeping outdoors and joining the craziest student events. A story about open borders, intercultural understanding and searching for a European identity. My name is Jonathan and I'm presenting Europe by Bike 25.
After staying in Budapest for 1 day, my legs felt tired and my body still not fully recovered. But I had no choice, so I fighted kilometer after kilometer until I reached the endless streets outside the capital.
Folgt jetzt schon seit einem halben Kilometer ein Auto mit einigem Abstand. Ich glaube, der ist einfach nur höflich und will nicht drängeln. Aber ist schon witzig. In Deutschland wären die schon längst ganz nah rangefahren. The next day started with clear skies and a great mood. I was only a few kilometers away from Lake Balaton and was really excited. And what can I say? Balaton didn't disappoint me again. After searching for over an hour, I finally found a place to wash myself. But it was already late, the sunlight had lost its energy and the wind was strong. Getting back into my clothes was another challenge, but when I was finally ready to ride again, I was very happy with myself. I haven't seen a border sign, but suddenly I was in Austria again. I woke up and realized that I had slept just a few meters away from a school in the middle of the forest. As a child, I would have loved to have classes here. Today was my day off. Unfortunately, I hadn't been able to reach anyone in Graz, so I wanted to just visit the city briefly the next day and then continue on to Zagreb right away. So I was in no hurry when I met two nice gentlemen at this place who both offered to help me. One was even a bicycle engineer, but my bike was still in good working order. How much I would have needed his help just 2 days later. And I took the opportunity to make a public announcement that I had been putting off for far too long. Hey guys, I made a very important decision, maybe the most important decision of my life. I think it's no longer a secret that I'm applying for the 36th board of esteem.